Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing well. Children, those students who are sending their assignments but not mentioning their name, I request to them kindly mention your name, class, section, date and assignment number on each assignment. Okay children? Children, many students are sending incomplete work of first assignment of part 2. They didn't completed the work given in page number 13 in EVS book. Children, there you have to paste your photograph also. I request with the parents kindly help your ward to do the work complete and send it again as soon as possible. Okay children? Now children, next is functions of body parts. Children, we have already learned that our body has many parts. The parts work together to help us to do many things. Children, every body part has a use or a function. Each part of the body has an important role to play. Children, we have already learned about the different parts of body in previous video. Let's revise it again, okay? Children, this is our head. These are eyes. These are ears. This is our nose. This is our mouth. These are cheeks. This is our chin. This is our neck. These are shoulders. These are shoulders. These are hands. These are hands. Children, these are fingers. How many fingers do we have, children? Yes, tell me. How many fingers do we have? Very good, children. We have 10 fingers. Children, this is our wrist. This is our wrist. This is our elbow. This is our elbow. This is our chest. And this is our stomach. This is our stomach. Now children, look at the board. Children, we have two legs. We have two legs, children. These are knees. These are knees. Children, this is a foot. This is a foot. And these are toes. These are toes. How many toes do we have, children? In the previous video, I told you how many toes do we have, children? Yes, tell me. Very good, children. We have 10 toes. How many toes do we have? We have 10 toes. Okay, children? Children, next is neck. This is our neck. Children, our neck holds our head. Our neck holds our head. Our neck allows us to move our head left, right, up, down, here and there. Okay, children? Children, next is our neck joins our head and trunk also. And children, our trunk has many parts like our shoulder, chest, stomach. Okay. Now children, come to the next, hands. Children, we have two hands. We have two hands. Children, these are our arms. These are our arms, children. We have two arms. Each arm has a wrist, hand and elbow. Each arm has a wrist, hand and elbow. And children, each hand has 4 fingers and 1 thumb. This is thumb. So children, each hand has 4 fingers and 1 thumbs. Our hands help us to eat, write, hold things, push and lift also. Now children, look at the board. We have 2 legs. We have 2 legs. Each leg has 1 foot and toes. Okay children, our leg help us to walk, run, jump, stand, kick, etc. Now children, tell me, if we want to write in our notebook, which part of body do we use? Yes children, tell me. If we want to write something in our notebook, which part of our body do we use? Yes children, which part of our body do we use? Very good children, we will use our hands to write. We will use our hands to write. Okay. Now children, my next question is, if you want to kick a football, which part of body do we use to kick a football? Yes children, tell me, which part of body do we use to kick a football? Very good children. We will use our legs to kick a football. We will use our legs to kick a football. Now children, take out your EVS book at page number 16. Sense organs and their functions. We have 5 sense organs: eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin. The sense organs help us in different ways. They help us to sense things around us. We smell with our nose. We hear with our ears. We see with our eyes. We taste food with our tongue. we touch and feel with our skin. Now children, next is sense organs. Children, what are sense organs? Sense organs are parts of the body that help us to learn about things around us. Sense organs are parts of the body that help us to learn about the different things around us. And children, in our body, we have 5 sense organs. How many sense organs do we have? 5 sense organs. In our body, we have 5 sense organs. They are eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and your skin. There are 5 sense organs in our body. Eyes, E-Y-E-S, eyes, ears, E-A-R-S, ears, nose, N-O-S-E, nose. Next is tongue, T-O-N-G-U-E, tongue. Next is skin, S-K-I-N, skin. So children, we have 5 sense organs in our body. Now children, let us learn about these 5 sense organs in detail. Now children, first sense organ of our body is eyes. These are eyes. We see with our eyes. Children, we see with our eyes. Our eyes help us to see different things around us. So children, with the help of eyes, we can see color of rainbow, sun, birds, trees, flowers, etc. and many other things which is around us. So children, our eyes help us to see. Children, next sense organ is ears. These are ears. Children, these are ears. Our ears help us to hear. With the help of ears, we can listen to different sounds or music. Okay, with the help of ears, we can listen to different sounds or music. Now children, our next sense organ is nose. This is our nose. This is our nose. Children, we smell with our nose. Our nose helps us to smell things. So children, we breathe and smell with our nose. Okay? Children, next sense organ is tongue. Children, this is our tongue. Okay? This is our tongue. Children, tongue helps us to taste food. Children, I love sweet taste of grapes. So, with the help of my tongue, I can tell the taste of grapes whether it is sweet or sour. Okay? Children, I know you all love the cake, right? You all love the cake? Yes. Children, with the help of tongue, you can taste the cake and tell me whether it is sweet or sour. So children, with the help of our tongue, we can taste the different and delicious food items. Okay children? Now children, next sense organ of our body is skin. Children, this is our skin. This is our skin. We feel with our skin. We feel with our skin. Children, we feel and touch things through our skin. The skin covers our whole body. Children, the skin covers our whole body and it is the largest sense organ of our body. Skin is the largest sense organ of our body. Children, our skin helps us to feel different things like whether it is hot or cold, whether it is rough or soft, whether it is wet or dry, etc. So children, we feel the things with our skin. Children, take out your EVS Sphere notebook. First, you will write third assignment, then mention your name, class, section. Children, don't forget to mention your name, class and section also and third assignment also. Okay children? Now come to the next line. Here you will mention the date, then write lesson 2 in capital and here you will write H dot W dot. Done children? Now children, come to the next line. In next line you will write answer the following questions. Done children? Now again come to the next line. In next line you will write QUE.1. Question number 1. Name the 5 sense organs. Full stop. You have to write the name of 5 sense organs. Okay children? Now come to the next line. In next line you will write ANS.1. Answer 1. The 5 sense organs are dash. Here you will write the number from 1 to 5. Number 1. Eyes. Again you have to write the spelling of eyes. EYES, eyes. And draw the picture of eyes also. Okay children? Number 2. Ears. EARS, ears. Again you have to write the spelling of ears and draw the picture of ears also. Okay? Now children, come to the next. Number 3. Nose. NOSE, nose. Again you will write here nose. And you have to draw the picture of nose also. Now come to the next, number 4, tongue. Tongue, tongue. Again here you will write the spelling of tongue. And children, you have to draw the picture of tongue also. Come to the next, number 5, skin. SKIN, skin. Again, SKIN, skin. You have to draw the picture. You have to draw this picture also. Okay, children. Now come to the next, question number 2. QUE.2. Question number 2. Which part of your body do you use for walking? Question mark. Children, which part of your body do you use for walking? Very good, children. We use our legs for walking. And then come to the next line. In next line, we will write ANS dot answer 2. We use our legs for walking. Full stop. That, children. Now, children, open the book at page number 17. Children, first you will mention the date, write third assignment, mention your name, class, section. Now come to the question. Question number 1, choose the correct option. Children, you have to choose the correct option from these, okay? A, which of these is a part of a leg? Your options are number 1, thumb, number 2, toe, number 3, wrist, number 4, lip. Which of these is a part of a leg, children? Very good. Option 2, toe. So we will take the option 2. Toe is a part of a leg. Now children, come to the next, B. We have dash sense organs. Your options are option 1, 6, option 2, 2, option 3, 10, option 4, 5. Yes, children, tell me, we have dash sense organs. How many sense organs do we have? Very good, children. We have 5 sense organs. So tick the option 4. So children, we have a 5 sense organ. Done. Now come to the next, C. We use our hands to. Your options are number 1, cut, number 2, clap, number 3, draw, number 4, cut, clap and draw. We use our hands to, children, we use our hands to cut, clap and draw. Take the correct option 4. So we will take the correct option as 4. Now come to the next, D. We walk, dance and jump with the help of our dash. Your options are option number 1, stomach, option 2, nose, option 3, legs, option 4, tongue. So children, we walk, dance and jump with the help of our legs. Option 3. Take the correct option 3, legs. Now children, come to the next, E. We taste food with our. Your options are number 1, nose, number 2, tongue, number 3, ears, number 4, hair. So children, we taste food with our. Very good, children. Option 2, tongue. We taste food with our tongue. Take the option 2. Tongue. Done, children. Like this, you have to do the EVS work in very neat and clean handwriting in EVS notebook. Okay, children? So children, in this video, we have learned about the functions of different body parts and sense organs. In the next video, we will revise this chapter again. We'll see you in next video, children. Till then, take care, stay safe, stay at home. Thank you.